Hey Fitness Fam! Welcome to Amina-Pro, your go-to channel for products that help you burn fat and shed pounds. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you. Imagine shedding pounds while enjoying your morning coffee. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me tell you about Java Burn, the revolutionary fat-burning supplement that you simply mix with your coffee. Now, I've tried a ton of products over the years, but nothing quite like Java Burn. Just a scoop in my morning brew and I was good to go. I felt more energized, more focused, and best of all, I started seeing real results on the scale. Yeah, it's that effective. Some of my friends have jumped on the Java Burn train too. One of them, Mike, he's lost a solid 10 pounds in just a few weeks. And Lisa, she's never felt better. Her energy levels are through the roof. It's not just a coffee enhancer, it's a game changer. So how does it work? Java Burn boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. It's packed with natural ingredients like green tea extract and chromium, which are known for their fat-burning properties. Plus, it's tasteless, so you won't even know it's there. Just pure coffee goodness. If you're serious about weight loss and want to make every cup of coffee count, you've got to try Java Burn. And guess what? There's a special offer just for you. Click the link in the description to grab an exclusive 80% discount today. Don't miss out on this chance to transform your coffee routine and your body. All right, that's it from me. Hit that link, get your Java Burn, and start your journey to a fitter, healthier you. Catch you in the next one.